That was the adjustment, but this is where the real magic happens. Most patients don't walk in with just one problem. She's got neck pain, back pain, shoulder tension, lower back issues, some sciatica creeping in. And here's the thing, we are not bound by insurance at Sam's Clinic. That means we're not rushing, we're not limited to one diagnosis code. We're not stopping at good enough. In one session, we address everything we can with the allotted time. Hands-on, deep tissue work to break up those deep, stubborn areas, that feeling of stiffness and tension weighing you down. We use instrument-assisted techniques for precision. We do cupping to pull circulation into the stubborn areas, dry needling to release those deeper trigger point areas that just won't let go, and scraping to mobilize tissues to get them moving the way they should. Insurance-based care, you get 15 minutes and a bill. Us, on the other hand, we give you the full treatment, every tool, every technique that we can, as much as we can fit into the session, because your body doesn't have just one problem, so why should your treatment? This is what happens when a clinic is built around results and not reimbursements. No gatekeeping, no come back next week for a different area. We hit it all, adjustment, soft tissue, the whole package, because that's what's actually going to get you better. San Antonio Muscle and Spine, where your treatment isn't limited by an insurance company, it's limited by time, and we make every second count. Okay, pick your head up.
It's like, oh, I'm sorry, I sneezed and threw my back out. Fuck.
This is gonna come around here. So with this one, I'm gonna stretch you out first. And I'll kind of surprise, as long as it doesn't hurt when I stretch, I'll kind of surprise you and we'll do a quick little adjustment, all right? Not choking you here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Feels okay?
Mm-hmm.
Bring the arms down.
Oh my God. Yeah.
It's going to be kind of a new one this way.
That feels so good.
Nice, nice. Alright, same thing on this side. You're gonna feel a little good.
Oh.
You did two there, huh?
Oh my God. That was between my shoulder blades. Yes. Right here on the back. What the fuck? Oh shit. Where's it gonna end up now?
Alright, deep breath in. All the way out.
What the fuck?
Good. Got it. All right.